Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my podcast W5. Wow Woman Winning Wonderful World. Friends, today is Tuesday and Tuesday has to be teaching. So it is Teaching Tuesday. Our today's story is going to teach us something about life. So here I present how this tribal woman from Kerala is making a name in the male dominated plumbing field. Life may have been unfair to her, but as a single mother to 4 daughters, Shailaja Ayyappan has risen above her struggles to make ends meet by taking up plumbing. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. The words of Albert Einstein summarizes the story of 37-year-old Shailaja Ayyappan, who raised 4 daughters alone after her husband left her. She rose above societal stereotypes to support her family during a financial crisis, and plumbing became her means of livelihood. Having worked as sweeper and cook, Shailaja tells social story that she always wanted to do something different. When her husband abandoned her with 4 young daughters, she tried her hand at some odd jobs but could not make ends meet. A school dropout, Shailaja belongs to the Kadar tribe, a primitive tribal community in Solayar in Athirapilli, Kerala. The area is forest-like with the nearest town, Chalakudi, 65 km away. So finding a job that suited her palate was a task, but she took up odd jobs due to financial constraint. That is when Jan Shikshan Sansthan JSS under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship came to her rescue. The organization was in search of women and children in her area to help them get skilled in various fields under the Skill India campaign. Launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the Skill India campaign aims to train over 30 crore people in India in different skills by 2022. It provides vocational training to non-literates as well as school dropouts in rural region. So here is a new start. When Thankamma V, the former president of Athirapilli Gram Panchayat, told her about vocational training courses given by JSS, Jan Shikshan Sansthan, she didn't give it a thought and joined immediately. She had a keen interest in studying the course and learnt it quickly. Shailaja and her daughters took full training in plumbing from the Skill India mission. Shailaja is now a sought-after plumber in the area. She earns at least rupees 5,000 a month. One of her daughter is married, one employed, and the others are studying. She can now lead a dignified life. The JSS selected 20 people including Shailaja from the Solayar tribal colony in 2021 for a 3-month course. The Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship honored her on the occasion of International Women's Day 2022 for breaking the gender bias by working in a male-dominated sector. Shailaja was among the 4 women in country and the only one from Kerala who received the honor. Others were from Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Delhi. So, she has shown fighting gender roles constraint. Shailaja admits that women in her area rarely get employed in jobs such as plumbing. Even after completing the course, only a few of her batchmates had gone to the field to take up the work. After finishing the course, she started to get jobs from nearby colonies. Many people raised their eyebrows when she joined the course and started working. Many even questioned her capability, as it is not common to see women doing this job as plumber. But it is a ray of hope for her to make a living and raise her children. It's been 1 year since she started working as a plumber. Although she has not got big construction contract yet, she does repair and installation works in homes. As the Kadar tribal colony has been covered by government drinking water project, the majority of houses have drinking water connection. A trained plumber is difficult to find in the area, and she is doing the work for them at a very minimal charge. She adds that she has received up to 10 plumbing works in a month at times. But being a woman, it is sometimes a concern for the people to call her for the work. But whenever she gets one, she does it with all her sincerity. From digging to cutting pipes, she does everything on her own. An illiterate Shailaja is grateful as she has learnt the plumbing course. She does not want the skill she has learned to go to waste and wants to continue work as a plumber going forward. So salute to her great teaching and great learning attitude. So here we come to the end of journey of our today's Wow Woman. Meet you tomorrow with next Wow Woman. Till then, live your life with your khwaish. Bye-bye.